The right movements before bed can help you unwind, clear your mind, and set you up for a great night's sleep. Try these movements right before going to bed or even after you've crawled into bed. You can use a pillow to support your back or a blanket. So if you're using a pillow or a blanket, place it right next to either the wall or the edge of your bed that you're going to be putting your hips on. And I'm going to scoot back onto the blanket and scoot as close to the wall as possible, and then scoot forward. All right, so as we lean back onto the mat, we'll start to turn our legs up to the wall for legs up the wall. So get comfortable here, find a spot where you feel good. You can even put a towel or a pillow roll underneath your neck, hands on your stomach, or hands next to your hips out to the sides. And stay here for about a minute. Feet can be hip distance apart, but try to notice your breathing. Breathe into the belly and focus on the rise and the fall of the belly. So legs up the wall is a very restorative pose, and it also helps your body relax from a stressful day or just from busyness and activity. You can soften your knees. Just relax. Closing your eyes, paying attention to your breathing. Feel the rhythm of your breath. If you feel any tension in your lower back or your legs, you can bend your knees a little more deeply. Just make sure you feel comfortable. Let's add some head movements, some neck movement. So we'll turn the head to one side and then relax for about 10 seconds. And then back to center, center your head, and then turn the other direction. Feel the stretch in the opposite side of the neck. Let's try that side to side. Easy, even breath. Center, and then start to walk your feet down until your knees fall gently towards your chest, and take a moment to breathe. You can stay in legs up the wall, longer if you like. But to come out of this pose, just roll onto your side. So you can scoot, if you're by a wall, scoot away from the wall a bit. And then just roll over, feet on the floor, to one side, supporting your head. Getting up whenever you're ready.